This is Nokia T21, and today I would like to guide you through the process of setting up parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the Google category. First thing that you need to check is whether you have any accounts added over here. If you have some, like I do, we will need to just go ahead and remove them, which you can do by tapping over here, going for manage accounts on this device option, and removing each individual Google account you have linked one by one. Once this step is out of the way, you can re-enter the Google category, reassure yourself that there are no Google accounts over here, and start the setup process for the parental controls. So in here, enter parental controls section, get started, child routine, next. Now we will have to wait for a few seconds in order for it to load the next step. So in here, you gotta tap at the add or create account for a child option and sign into the Google account that you have for your child. It goes without saying, but I have to notice the fact that the child has to not know the password to the said Google account, otherwise they will be easily able to bypass and turn off parental controls by themselves. So in here it doesn't matter, just proceed with the Google sign-in if you would normally do. So I do happen to have Google account that I can use. If you do not have it, you can just sign up for one. Then let me quickly enter my Google password off the screen. Then click next. Proceed with the Google login as you would normally do. As I mentioned earlier. Then already, so it shut down unexpectedly. Whoa, okay. So whatever that was, let me just quickly re-enter the parental control section. So as you can see, the account was actually signed into. So you should not have a problem like that. Basically, once you log into your Google account, you'll be forwarded to select your child's Google account page, so simply select it from the list. And in here, we will also need to enter the Google account credentials for parent's account as well, or the Google Gmail account that you will use for supervising your child's activity. So you know the drill, enter password, enter email, then proceed. At the following page, you'll need to enter the child's password, or rather password to the child's Google account one more time in order to confirm the linking for those accounts. Then tap at the agree button. At the following pop-up window that you'll get, go for the allow option and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. So we did that. Now we can just skip all of the steps pretty much, since we will be able to do that later on as well. And as for now, our goal is to finish the setup earlier, or sooner rather. So skip all the steps. And from here there are two pretty much ways you can proceed. So if the device or phone that is written in a bold font over here is the one that you'll use as the supervisor, you can just tap at the install family link button and the needed app will get automatically downloaded and installed on your device. Or you can just skip the step and manually download the required app, which is not significantly harder or significantly more difficult. So either way you choose, your fine, I would assume. So that's my device that I will use as a supervisor. So let me quickly get a hold of it. So make sure that your parent account that you have mentioned earlier while setting up at the child's device, setting up parental controls at the child's device, is logged into. Now open the Play Store and get the Family Link application. That's the official Google app. You can get it for free, so nothing difficult so far, I would assume. So launch the app, be cautious and make sure to sign in to choose the Google account that you have earlier identified as the one belonging to parent or supervisor. That's an important step. And once the app gets loaded, in here you can start setting up your child's activity more or less. So you can do such things as setting up the daily limits for your child account usage, set the downtime routine, apply some app limits, which means turning on and off apps or restricting the particular app usage to any time frames. Let's say you want for your child to use the Amazon app for not more than 1 hour daily, and as well as see your child's activity, app activity in particular. You can configure the account settings, as well as manage devices if you have multiple added to your family. Monitor your child's location, though this step you have to set up at the child's end and grant the location sharing, but well, it's not. I'm not going to dive deeper into it in this video at least. And also monitor or see your child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it as far as setting up parental controls goes. We highly appreciate your attention, thanks for watching, and bye bye.